numbers flash, Zodiac spins. Most people stop at the sign. Today, we turn both into a manifestation system. Seeing signs feels exciting, but excitement alone changes nothing. Stay to the end for the formula and the ritual. Here's the key. Angel numbers give the message, while Zodiac energy shows the style, timing, and action. When message, method, and movement work together, manifestation feels less random and much more focused. Step 1. Choose one intention only. Love, money, confidence, healing, or career. Clear targets create stronger momentum. Write your intention in one specific sentence. Specific language gives your mind and your actions a destination. Use 111 for fresh starts, bold alignment, and momentum when you're ready to begin something new. Use 222 for balance, trust, harmony, and partnership energy, especially when love or peace is the goal. Use 333 for creativity, expression, communication, and support when your ideas need a louder voice. Use 444 for stability, protection, healing, and building something strong enough to last. Use 555 for change, breakthroughs, fast movement, and major shifts when life needs a reset. Use 777 for intuition, inner guidance, spiritual trust, and deeper alignment with your own instincts. Use 888 for abundance, success, financial flow, and material expansion when money or results are the focus. Use 999 for endings, closure, letting go, and making space for something better to arrive. Aries brings courage. Taurus brings stability. Gemini brings communication. Pick the sign energy that matches your goal. Cancer supports emotional safety. Leo boosts confidence and magnetism. Virgo strengthens routines, healing, and self-improvement. Libra favors harmony and relationships. Scorpio drives transformation. Sagittarius expands luck, belief, and bigger possibilities. Capricorn builds long-term success. Aquarius opens the future. Pisces deepens intuition, surrender, and spiritual connection. For love, combine 222 with Libra or Cancer energy. The message is connection, and the method is harmony. For money, combine 888 with Taurus or Capricorn. The message is abundance, and the method is grounded progress. For confidence, combine 111 with Leo or Aries. The message is beginning, and the method is bold action. For major change, combine 555 with Sagittarius or Aquarius. The message is movement, and the method is expansion. For healing or stability, combine 444 with Virgo or Cancer. The message is safety, and the method is gentle rebuilding. Your own chart can sharpen this even more. Sun shows motivation, Moon shows emotional alignment, Rising shows outward action. Venus helps with love, Mars fuels drive. The second house rules money, the seventh rules partnership, and the 10th rules career. Timing matters too. Set intentions on the new moon, build during waxing, celebrate at full moon, and release during waning. Match the day to the goal. Friday for love, Thursday for growth, Tuesday for courage, Saturday for structure. Here's the 5-minute ritual. Write one intention, choose one angel number, then match it with one zodiac energy. Next, repeat your affirmation. Then, take one real-world action immediately. Action gives spiritual focus somewhere to land. Example, for clients and income, use 888 with Capricorn energy. Affirm steady abundance, then send the pitch. For love, use 222 with Libra energy. Affirm balanced connection. Then become available for the relationship you want. Want faster results? Stay consistent. Use the same number and affirmation for 7 to 21 days. Obsessing over signs slows everything down. Notice the sign, lock in the meaning, and move your feet. Track what happens. Journaling your number, sign, action, and result helps you spot what truly works for you. One grounded truth. Angel numbers and Zodiac work best as focus tools, not excuses to avoid action. So the formula is simple. Choose the goal, match the number, match the Zodiac energy, affirm it, then act. Comment your Zodiac sign and favorite angel number below. Like, subscribe, share this video, and send us a thanks.